Hello mga ka-Marksman, it's me, Teacher Marks, and in this video, you will learn how to do mental math in addition, or you will learn how to solve addition using your mind or without using pen and paper. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin. First example, 46 plus 32. So how can we answer this using mental math or without using pen and paper? Okay, first, let's separate each digit to its value. So the value of 4 here in 46 is 40, and the value of 6 is 6. And in number 32, the value of 3 is 30, and the value of 2 is 2. By the way, if you don't have any idea about value of a digit, I created a video about that. You can click the video link in the description below. And then, after you separate each digit to its value, you need to add the numbers with the same number of digits. So, 40 plus 30 is equal to 70, and 6 plus 2 is 8. So now, you can easily add these numbers. So, 70 plus 8, that is 78. I hope that's clear. So that's how you use mental math in solving addition. Next example, number 2, 57 plus 45. So you just need to separate each digit of a number to its value. In number 57, the value of 5 is 50, the value of 7 is 7, and in number 45, the value of 4 is 40, and the value of 5 is 5. And then, you need to add the numbers with the same number of digits. So, 50 plus 40, that is 90, and 7 plus 5, that is 12. And then, to answer it easily, you can separate the digit of number 12. So, 90 plus 10 plus 2. So, you just need to rewrite 90, and then plus the value of 1 in number 12 is 10, and the value of 2 is 2. So, just repeat the process. 90 plus 10 is 100. And then, you just need to rewrite 2. And then, you can add this is. So, 100 plus 2 is equal to 102. I hope that's clear. Next example. What if we have 3-digit numbers? So, we have 235 plus 374. So, the process or the steps are the same when you solve these 3-digit numbers. So, you just need to separate the value of each digit of these numbers. So, in 235, the value of 2 is 200, and the value of 3 is 30. The value of 5 is 5. And then in 374, the value of 3 is 300. And then the value of 7 is 70. And then the value of 4 is 4. By the way, if you separate the numbers into each digit value, the sum is still the same. For example, so in 374, that is the same as 300 plus 70 plus 4. Okay, so nothing changes. Next, you just need to add the numbers with the same number of digits. So 200 plus 300, that is 500. And 30 plus 70, that is 100. And 5 plus 4, that is 9. And then, you need to add the numbers with the same number of digits. So 500 plus 100 is equal to 600. And then, you just need to rewrite 9. So now, you can add this easily. So 600 plus 9 is equal to 609. Okay, so you can check this answer with your calculator if this is correct. Next example, 379 plus 426. So just do the steps. Separate the numbers into each digit value. So in number 379, the value of 3 is 300. The value of 7 is 70. The value of 9 is 9. And in 426, the value of 4 is 400. The value of 2 is 20. And then the value of 6 is 6. And then, you just need to add the numbers with the same number of digits. So 300 plus 400, that is 700. And then 70 plus 20, that is 90. And then 9 plus 6, that is 15. And then, next step, you can separate the number 15 into each digit value. So, you just need to rewrite 700 and 90. And then 15 is the same as 10 plus 5. Next, add the numbers with the same number of digits. So, you just need to rewrite 700 and then 90 plus 10, that is 100. And then, you just need to rewrite 5. Then, you can easily add these numbers. So, 700 plus 100, that is 800, plus 5, that is 805. I hope that's clear. Next example, 463 plus 78. What if we have 3-digit numbers plus 2-digit numbers? You just need to follow the steps. So, you just need to separate each number to its digit value. So, in 463, the value of 4 is 400. And then the value of 6 is 60. And then the value of 3 is 3. And then, in number 78, the value of 7 is 70. And then the value of 8 is 8. Next, you just need to add the numbers with the same number of digits. So, you just need to rewrite 400. And then 60 plus 70, that is 130. And then 60 plus 70, that is 130. And then 3 plus 8, that is 11. Next, you can separate the number 130 into each digit value. And also, you can separate number 11 into each digit value. So, you just need to rewrite 400. And then, the value of 1 in 130 is 100. And then, the value of 3 is 30. And then, the value of 0 is 0. So, we don't need to write 0 here, since any number added to 0 is the same number. Next, in number 11, the value of 1 is 10. And then the value of another 1 is 1. Next, you just need to add the numbers with the same number of digits. So 400 plus 100, that is 500. And then 30 plus 10, that is 40. Then you just need to rewrite 1. Now, you can add these numbers easily. So 500 plus 40, that is 540. Plus 1, that is 541. Okay, so that means 463 plus 78 is equal to 541. I hope that's clear. Anyway, please support me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube so that you are always updated with my new videos. Also, please like, comment, and share this video. If you truly understand this lesson, you can try to answer this one. 638 plus 792. So, use mental math to answer this addition problem. So, you can type your answer on the comment section. Thank you for watching.